my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm I'll still believe. And when it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe, through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free. I just wanna fight for a cause. If I get to know my purpose, I don't know if I'll like it or not. Gotta know that you're the answer. When I'm searching my mind, I forgot. When I'm walking through the fire, I just look toward the light when it's hot. You and I know the easy does it. I want real meaning, no easy love. If I wait in your time, wouldn't it be enough? I've been thirsting for answers, I'm looking up. God, I know you're my portion, please fill my cup. You said that you meant that I ain't giving up. No throwing the cards and no packing my stuff. Won't stop when I fall, cause I saw what you did when you gave up your life and you bought me with blood, bought me with love. I can't give up, I can't give up. Yeah, you say your plans for me, turn my mess to a melody. You got good plans for me. I know what my stance will be. I got strength cause you stand for me. Yeah, you got good plans for me. Don't give up.
I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting here, hands moving around the clock, and I still can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast. But we could go all in your life. I like the way it feels to have you running lap after lap all over my mind. Yeah, if the world ended today and I was sat right here by your side, that'd be alright. Yeah, that'd be alright. You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast. But we could go all in. We could be in love by the end of the night. Sitting here talking, kissing your lips and I'm coming alive. Well, we can start running, make a list of ways that the time just isn't right. Or we could go all in. Yeah, we could be in love by the end of the night, by the end of the night. I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much.